Offshore of the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico, and we've seen some winds down here. I was just checking some winds at Cancun, winds of 30 knots there. That's about 35 miles per hour or so. And we could have winds of 50 miles per hour very close to the center of the storm just offshore, but there are no observations in that area. But at any rate, it's moving to the west at 6 miles per hour. It's been moving that way for a little while now. And we expect in time it'll turn to the north for reasons I'll explain in a minute. There are the coordinates for you, though, if you're plotting. 21.3 north, 90.6 to the west. That puts it 65 miles west-northwest of Merida, Mexico. Let's see what else is going on out there. Put this into motion for you. You can see we do have a lot of convection. We've had a lot of convection really as a tropical depression. This system had a lot of convection. But now we're noticing more in the way of organization with the circulation. There's definitely a very well-defined low-pressure area here, but it's not deepening. It's not strengthening at this point. Most of the convection is out here, right on down through
circulation. Now that means, among other things, that we are starting to see the system strengthen, and as you'll see in a moment, we do have some of the latest information in from the National Hurricane Center in Florida, and it does appear that we do have a lowering of the pressure, number one, and also an increase in the sustained winds. The sustained winds have now been increased to 65 miles per hour. So there is a fair amount of thunderstorm development with the system. You can see on the eastern side, the center of circulation about right in through here. In fact, if we get closer, these are the higher cloud tops on those big thunderstorms. On the southwest and western side of the tropical system, we do have also another round of thunderstorms, but by far these are the most intense storms, and we've noticed that trend during the past 3 to 4 hours. So plenty of convection. 984 millibars, so it's been coming down, drifting west, still taking that westerly track since its inception, west or southwest. 145 miles west of Merida as of 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time, with sustained winds at 65 miles per hour. Now, there are tropical storm warnings in effect from Progreso all the way around the south tip of the Bay of Campeche.